Oh, it's nice to have working brakes on the trailer, boys. Eh? We're all schmancy pants now. So you wanted to knock this right down, or?
Yeah, you can, like, so if you can make it so it's kind of like
we can ride the...
like this slope here. I don't need it perfectly level all the way around. I just need it so I can cut it, because hopefully we're building this fall.
Right on. Okay, I'll get started. Well, that wasn't too bad. 6 hours. 6 hours playing trapter. Look what I did. All that. Played trapter. All that. Yeah, I did. The trapter works awesome. Oh, friggin' right. That was a good one. We played trapter big time today. Holy shnikaway. And he said, thank you very much. And I do good work. Eh? Yeah, I do. Any words, boys? I love being a trapters, man. I gotta go. Holy, were you guys playing trapter without me? You best ain't. That's it. Oh, well, that worked out pretty splendid. I love playing trapter. Especially when the trapter just works. I'm glad we got that blown hydraulic line out of the way when we did. That was 6 hours playing trapter. Kind of get a good idea how much fuel you used too. It's like not even half a tank, 6 hours, so figure that into the extra equations, you know what I mean? Well, I gotta figure out words to get more better shots of me being a traptersman too. This is like I can't be dicking around while guys are paying me by the hour, you know what I mean? It's like I feel like I can't be dicking around. I gotta just get that shit done and not be keeping stopping and moving the camera and shit, because they'll be like, am I paying you like by the hour because you keep stopping and going over there and dicking around? Oh yeah, no, I'm just making a movie. Hey, yeah, that'll get me lots of business. Hey, that'll get me lots of business. But holy shit, they're over there playing trapter without me too. I was gonna go say something, but it's like, bro, like, I don't know if you realize, like, I'm a traptersman. So if you guys are over there playing trapter, I'd like to be involved in that too, a little bit maybe. Anybody interested in this Toyota too? Got this Toyota truck, I don't know, four-wheel drive, rusty on the frame, terrible though. Very much of the crust factor. I don't know, it's a Toyota, it would probably just fire right up, send her, but playing trapter without me. Unreal. Don't they know I'm a traptersman? Good Lord. Like, I'm right across the road. I'm right across the road from that bullshit. I could have just drove it right over there and played trapter terrible. No. I apologize. But anyways, Look at this. Those are all Dodge, Chevy, Cummins parts, not Ford at all. How can you tell? They'll never know. You know what I mean? They'll never friggin' know. But yeah, shit, I gotta friggin' make a mount and do a bunch of dicking around, so I best get on that. We'll never get this piece of shit finished. Can't be having bungee cord situation, but oh yeah, dudes, how you been? How you been? Oh, I'm just doing splendid, thanks for asking. But we got a little crozion. This side seems to be worst. Haven't took that bulb out yet, obviously, but you know, that one still kind of works. This one was fairly chowdered. So yeah, I don't know. I got some Elidois kicking around. We'll have to do some location, of course. But yeah, I think we'll just replace those with some ones that I've had kicking around. But we might have to get a hold of the mill supply. These ones, I mean, I could cut the hole to make whatever fit, but you know, I'd rather just try to utilization the originals if we could. Some of the lights works back here, so you know, we might be able to get away without too much grief, but chances are every time we crack into a little something, we find treasure. So yeah, I want to make, you know, the wire that goes between the lights isn't long enough either. I don't want it friggin' in the road of the stovepipe. I want it nice and neat across the top, so I'll have to rip all that out anyways. At least have a look-see upon that. But yeah, pretty excited about getting to figure all this stuff out. Let me tells you, for myself, probably. Holy, these pieces of shit got another puppy. Oh my, holy living shit. Wow. That's so cool. Ah! Perfect.
Right there?
Splendid. Oh, hey, how you doing? How you doing? If you're just tuning in, we're just creeping up on the finish line here, boys. We don't want to get too carried away too quick. You know what I mean? We want to just ease into her, apparently. But yeah, we got that new intercooler situated. I mean, it's not as perfect as I would like it to be, but with the amount of room we're offered here, that's pretty well all we're going to be able to do. But this top cigarette here, it's just interference, and so I'm terrible with my... See, what you're going to want to do is mount completely, make the tubes and all the shit and get it all, make, you know, a whole episode out of that, get everything mounted in there, and then decide to test the clearly leaking intercooler, and then throw it out and put a 7-tree intercooler in there, because you already had it anyways and different things and whatever, right? But anyways, that's how you do that. So I can't find a piece of pipe that's got the right stovepipe, so we're going to try to find a drill bit, a friggin' drill bit, and then we'll just punch a hole through that, and we'll cut that in half, and we'll stick that on there, and we'll weld a little flat piece of metal on it with a hole in it that'll go through there, that'll go into there, and then we'll just skeet with a self-tap. There's your, and then that's how that'll stick on there, lickety McSplickens. But I guess we'll get out the the son of a bitch here and see what happens. You know what I mean? Give that a little bevel edge on the chin inferior, if you will. Yeah, man. Scores. So that's how that worked. See what volume we're at here. What ripples. Oh, Lord. That took a minute, eh? Here, touch that. Touch that. I don't even know how I'm going to get that out of there. Good Lord, that's hot. I made a piece of pipe. Oh, here's one for you. Face. If you want to mark a line, see that line? See how like mucho blurgence it is? Well, get the block, the size of your line, put your sticky thing right there, and then just give her one of these. And then it's more awesome peony. And that's how you do it. And you don't have to f around. You can't even saunt the lines. There's two lines there, boys. And there's two lines, but that's how you dot it. And then you can cut along that. There, you can saunt it there for sure. Okay, look at that. Exquisite. But I mean, obviously your end's got to be, you know, semi flat. But yeah, we'll cut those off, and then check out the fitment, boys. Check out the fitment. Very little ratool. Okay. Oh, dick. Oh, dick. I apologize. I wasn't trying to have any innuendos happening in there, but yeah, we don't got the slop. I couldn't find a piece of pipe. The appropriate, you know, I didn't, you know, way too big, way too small. That's all I got. You know, we got the right size. And just cut that off there, and then we can, you know, I don't know, take some flat, make a thing like that. No, obviously not that, but you know, and then punch a hole in it, make two of those, and then those will be our new radiator intercooler mounts, and it'll be awesome. We'll just bolt on there. Yeah, starting to get nervous, boys. It's almost time. Hopefully I'm not a stupid, dumb, fucking piece of shit, goof, idiot, asshole, and I did at least some of it right. Hey, Son of a bitch. I hate being so dicked. It's like I don't want to be so dicked. So I'm like really trying. So I guess we'll find out. Only 3 words. Only 3 words to find out, I expect. Well, shit in my hair. Check this out, boys. Custom as fuck. Got the friggin', we got the custom peony, some terrible. Check that out. Giant friggin' Tapcom. Custom as fuck. Eh? Good lord. She's friggin', you know, we'll put a piece of the rubbers back in there, but I mean, unless you're pulling on it like that, it's just because it's a rubber mount. But we do got to put a little bit of this poop in a couple spots because she's a tight squeeze, and I don't want any rubification. But yeah, custom. There's frig a little poop on there. Never even noticed, but we do got a little interference fit, of course, in with customs. So if you notice right there, we got an interference fit. But I think if we just manipulate it a little bit, we might be alright. You know what I mean? We might be able to just do a little manipulations, if you know what I'm saying. But any words, can't remember what time it is. But it's 11:33, so I gotta quit. But yeah, we worked on the grumman a little bit today, boys. Got distracted kind of a couple times, but not too bad, I guess. We got that done, so hopefully within the next 12 to 18 months we can get some coolant in this son of a bitch. Wouldn't that be something, eh? Wouldn't that be friggin' something? But anyways, boys, actually I should take that off and paint those, and then they're painted for tomorrow. Idiot.